Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Danjo number EST-103. This is a stainless steel extended lip strike is what this is. It's an unusual strike in the sense that you don't sell these very often, but there are times when you need to sell them. It's good that you have access to them. And the application of something like this is going to be where hollow metal frame, very thick wall, you've got the frame set into a block construction, but then they're bringing stucco or drive it back or out and around the corner to make it all look similar. Even on the edges of the wall, you'll see that. And this strike is a perfect example of where you're going to run into that. Hollow metal frame, why do I say that? Well, because it's a 4 7/8 tall strike, and that's industry standard for those sorts of hollow metal frames. The overall width of this is about 3.5. Okay, so 3 5/8. The important thing to know is that it's 3 inch from the center line of the screw holes to the edge of the lip, and that is how strike plates are classified. The lip length is the center line of the screw hole to the edge of the lip, not the entire width. Okay. This being an ANSI strike, there will be some other dimensions that are totally standard, such as the width here, such as the height here. You have a bent, beveled, broke edge here. And again, you're going to use this where your hardware is making premature contact with the wall or casing or the treatment that's been done all along. This is about 2 1/4 inch greater than standard. And it's also common when you have JAN extensions installed. You wouldn't see really a 4 7/8 frame with JAN extensions, but if you imagine being on the pull side of a frame that literally had jam extensions on it, this would be an application for a jam extension. Also, if you're thinking of extended lip strikes, give special thought to the hinges as well. We can help you with wide throw hinges should that be a required sort of situation. So the EST-103, all of that conspires to mean ANSI strike, 3 inch lip length. Okay. The -630, that means two things. It means it's solid stainless steel and that it is in a satin finish, a brushed finish. This is all laser cut from the factory, and this will come to you with a peel-away protective film on it, and you can tell from the edge that they have laser cut this. At least I believe they have. I'm quite sure that they have. But it's a very nice finished edge. I would prefer something that was sheared. Well, this may have been cut as well, but the fact of the matter is you don't see any of the edges of the strike when it's installed. Out here you will, of course, but not much. There's a link below this video to a document called Template, and that's going to show you all of the dimensional properties that I've not gone over here. It will also refer to the different finishes this is available in. 605, which is polished brass on a solid brass base material. 612 is satin bronze on a bronze base material. Then the 630 finish, it refers to the 13 gauge. That's the thickness of the material, which is 90 thousandths of an inch. That's substantial and common. In conclusion, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Danjo product catalog. Now, what Danjo is most widely known for is their line of latch protectors and wraparound door reinforcers, and extended lip strikes is part and parcel of what they do as well. But so many other things in the trim and auxiliary line should be considered, such as your ladder pulls, hinges. They're going to have filler plates and mounting tabs and signs, door stops, holders, and bumpers, door pulls, push, and pull plates, protection plates and door edges, pivots, bolts, accessory hardware, door controls like overhead stops, things of that nature. I'm partial to Danjo, and it's because they're a well-oiled machine. They've got a good quality product. They've got good, predictable, reliable shipping times. And they do that over and over again. So if you're a distributor, you rely on that. If you're a distributor's client, like a building engineer, a locksmith, someone all the way down to just a homeowner, you rely on that as well. And Danjo is a company that can be relied on. If you have any questions on the Danjo number EST-103 in a 630 finish, or any other Danjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Before I forget, screws are included. That's a 1224 combination thread. Well, yeah, it's supposed to be a combo thread. That'll work in a hollow metal frame or a wood frame. Any questions on this or any other Donjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.